Are you on the hunt for a blade that combines power, precision, and iconic design? Whether you're a collector, an outdoor enthusiast, or someone who simply appreciates craftsmanship, the right Bowie knife is a must-have tool. Known for their rugged durability and versatile performance, Bowie knives are perfect for everything from outdoor adventures to self-defense. In this video, we'll be showcasing the top 5 best Bowie knives for 2025, featuring knives that are built to last, with exceptional design and cutting-edge features. As always, you can find pricing information for each product in the description below. If you find this video helpful, give it a like, leave a comment, and be sure to subscribe. So with number 5, Tops Knives Alaskan Harpoon. Rugged fixed-blade knife crafted for serious outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists. It features a 6.75-inch blade made from 1095 high-carbon steel, providing exceptional strength, durability, and edge retention in harsh conditions. This steel is highly favored for its toughness, making it ideal for tough cutting tasks like slicing through rope, wood, or skinning animals. The blade also comes with a black traction coating, adding extra protection against corrosion. The overall length of the knife is 12 inches, which offers excellent control for both delicate and heavy-duty tasks. The ergonomic handle is constructed from black linen micarta, ensuring a firm, comfortable grip, even in wet or slippery environments. Weighing approximately 15.2 ounces, the knife is solid yet still maneuverable enough for precise work. It comes with a black ballistic nylon sheath featuring a MOLLE backing, which allows for secure and customizable carry options, ideal for tactical situations or outdoor expeditions. Priced at $285, the Alaskan Harpoon is a premium, durable tool specifically designed to meet the needs of hunters, hikers, and those who spend time in extreme conditions. If you're looking for a knife that offers long-lasting performance in challenging environments, this is an excellent choice. Number 4. Bowie Knife Combo Set. Uncle Henry UH-Com 3. Full Tang fixed blade knives, each designed for strength, versatility, and aesthetic appeal. Both knives feature 8.25-inch blades made from 7x17 Movi high-carbon stainless steel, providing a balance of toughness and corrosion resistance. The full Tang construction ensures superior durability, meaning these knives can withstand heavy use without breaking or compromising performance. The handles are made from staglawn, which mimics the look of genuine stag antler, offering a classic appearance with enhanced durability and ease of maintenance. The knife set is not only functional but also features nickel silver guards and pommels for added elegance. The combo includes a brown leather belt sheath for each knife, providing safe, convenient storage and easy access during outdoor tasks. Whether you're hunting, camping, or engaging in general utility work, this set provides 2 knives with different blade lengths for various applications at a reasonable price of $125. This combo set offers both quality craftsmanship and affordability, making it an excellent option for knife enthusiasts or those in need of reliable outdoor tools. Number 3. Schrade SEHF 37 Frontier 12.4-in high-carbon steel full Tang fixed blade knife. A versatile, durable fixed blade tool that excels in outdoor and survival settings. With a 7.4-inch blade made from high-carbon steel, the knife offers an excellent combination of edge retention and strength, allowing it to cut, chop, and slice with ease. The high-carbon steel also ensures that the blade is easy to sharpen when necessary, maintaining its sharpness even after extensive use. The knife features a full Tang construction, meaning the blade extends through the handle for enhanced durability. The handle is made from TPE, thermoplastic elastomer, a tough, non-slip material that ensures a secure grip even in wet or cold conditions. With an overall length of 12.4 inches, this knife provides a substantial yet manageable size, making it suitable for tasks such as skinning, cutting, and chopping. The knife comes with a durable nylon sheath, making it easy to carry and access in outdoor environments. Weighing around 18.4 ounces, it strikes a perfect balance between weight and usability. Priced at approximately $45, the Schrade SEHF 37 provides an affordable, reliable option for those in need of a tough, all-around survival knife. Number 2. Cold Steel 1917 Frontier Bowie, a modern interpretation of the classic Bowie design, combining historical aesthetics with modern performance. Featuring a 9.5-inch blade made from 1055 carbon steel, it delivers outstanding toughness and edge retention. The blade's thick spine ensures stability during heavy use, and it can withstand challenging tasks like chopping, slicing, and piercing. The polished wood handle adds to the knife's traditional appeal, offering a comfortable grip that ensures good control during use. Full Tang construction increases the knife's durability, ensuring it can stand up to demanding tasks without breaking or losing integrity. The knife's overall length of 14.25 inches gives users ample reach and power, making it well-suited for larger cutting and utility jobs. The included leather sheath offers safe, secure carrying options. Priced at approximately $60, the Cold Steel 1917 Frontier Bowie provides a great balance of performance, design, and value. Its classic Bowie styling makes it a great addition to any collection, while its robust build ensures it's a reliable tool for outdoor enthusiasts. Number 1. Becker BK9 Combat Bowie Fixed Blade Knife. Designed for heavy-duty tasks, whether in combat, survival, or outdoor settings. With a blade length of 9 inches and an overall length of 14.25 inches, the BK9 is large enough to handle demanding tasks such as chopping, batoning, and self-defense, while still remaining manageable. The blade is constructed from 1095 Crowvan steel, providing excellent toughness, durability, and edge retention, while also being easy to sharpen. The grivery handle offers a secure, comfortable grip, making the knife suitable for extended use without discomfort. The knife includes a durable nylon sheath for easy and secure carrying, ensuring quick access when needed. Whether you're camping, hiking, or engaging in tactical operations, the Becker BK9 is built to perform in a variety of environments. It's well-suited for those who need a knife that combines versatility, strength, and ease of use. Priced at approximately $100. It offers great value for those seeking a tough, reliable, and multi-purpose fixed-blade knife. The BK9 is widely regarded as one of the best all-around knives available today, offering exceptional quality at an affordable price.